Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to check Facebook monetization criteria and eligibility. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook monetization topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to check Facebook monetization criteria and eligibility step-by-step guide. So let's see. The first thing you need to do is to simply click on your Facebook app. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then you have to scroll down and go to professional dashboard. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to monetization. So it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to click on in-stream ads. So you can simply scroll down and see all 5 criteria that you need to meet before you can monetize your content on Facebook. So the first one here is that you need to reside in a monetization country. The second one here is that you need to follow Facebook monetization content policy. The third one here is that you need to have 5,000 followers. The fourth one here is that your content criteria, which has to be at least 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days. The last one here at the bottom here is that you must have shared at least 5 eligible videos in the last 30 days that were either on demand, live, or previously live. This simply means that you must post at least 5 in a month onto your Facebook page. For you to check your eligibility country, if your country is available in the monetization category, simply click on eligible country right here. Just like so, it's loaded up to this particular page. So you can simply scroll down and check on the number of countries that are eligible for in-stream ads. So for you to do that, simply click on here. Just like so, everything is going to be listed down right here. So right here, Argentina, Australia, Austria, Bangladesh, Belgium, Bolivia, Brazil, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Denmark, and you can simply scroll down and see more countries that are eligible for monetization of in-stream ad on Facebook. Another one here, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, Egypt, El Salvador, France, Germany, Ghana, and you can scroll down and see list of more countries as the case may be. Right here, this is Nigeria right here. So it's as simple as that. So scroll down and see more countries that are eligible for in-stream ad on Facebook. So this is how to check your Facebook monetization criterion and eligibility. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook monetization topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.